Hawaiian honeycreepers are a group of small birds endemic to Hawaii. They are members of the finch family Fringillidae, closely related to the rosefinches, Carpodacus. But many species have evolved features unlike those present in any other finch. Their great morphological diversity is the result of adaptive radiation in an insular environment. Many have been driven to extinction since the first humans arrived in Hawaii, with extinctions increasing over the last 2 centuries following European discovery of the islands. With habitat destruction and especially invasive species being the main causes, before the introduction of molecular phylogenetic techniques. The relationship of the Hawaiian honeycreepers to other bird species was controversial. The honeycreepers were sometimes categorized as a family Drepanidae. Other authorities considered them a subfamily, Drepanidae, of Fringillidae, the finch family. The entire group was also called Drepanidae in treatments where buntings and American sparrows, Passarellidae, were included in the finch family. This term is preferred for just one subgroup of the birds today. Most recently, the entire group has been subsumed into the finch subfamily Carduelinae. The Hawaiian honeycreepers are the sister taxon to the Carpodacus rosefinches. Their ancestors are thought to have been from Asia and diverged from Carpodacus about 7.2 million years ago. And they are thought to have first arrived and radiated on the Hawaiian Islands between 5.7 to 7.2 million years ago, which was roughly the same time that the islands of Niihau and Kauai formed. The lineage of the recently extinct Pooli, Melamprosops, was the most ancient of the Hawaiian honeycreeper lineages to survive to recent times, diverging about 5.7 to 5.8 million years ago. The lineage containing Oreamistes and Paroreomyza was the second to diverging about 1 million years after the Pooli's lineage. Most of the other lineages with highly distinctive morphologies are thought to have originated in the mid-late Pliocene, after the formation of Oahu but prior to the formation of Maui. Due to this, Oahu likely played a key role in the formation of diverse morphologies among honeycreepers, allowing for cycles of colonization and speciation between Kauai and Oahu. A phylogenetic tree of the recent Hawaiian honeycreeper lineages is shown here. Genera or clades with question marks are of controversial or uncertain taxonomic placement. The classification of Paroreomyza and Oreamistes as sister genera and forming the second most basal group is based on genetic and molecular evidence, and has been affirmed by numerous studies. However, when morphological evidence only is used, Paroreomyza is instead the second most basal genus, with Oreamistes being the third most basal genus and more closely allied with the derived Hawaiian honeycreepers, as Oreamistes shares traits with the derived honeycreepers, such as a squared-off tongue and a distinct musty odor, that Paroreomyza does not. This does not align with the genetic evidence supporting Paroreomyza and Oreamistes as sister genera, and it would be seemingly impossible for only Paroreomyza to have lost the distinctive traits but Oreamistes and all core honeycreepers to have retained or convergently evolved them, thus presenting a taxonomic conundrum. Viridonia, containing the greater Amakihi, may be associated with or even synonymous with the genus Ademedia, containing the prehistoric icterid like and sickle-billed gapers, and has the most debated taxonomy. It was long classified within the greater Hemionthus radiation, a now paraphyletic grouping containing species formerly lumped within Hemionthus, including Hemionthus, Achialoa, and Chlorodroponus, and while some sources speculate it as being sister to Chlorodroponus, containing the lesser Amachihis, other sources speculate it may be a sister genus to the genus Loxaps, containing the Acapas, Acaceae and Alawi. Nearly